Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds using a simple 3-step substitution method. Watch this. You got this.
Start by setting u equal to the inner function, 3x plus 4. Differentiating gives du equals 3dx, so we replace dx with 1/3 du. You got this. Keep going.
Now, map the x limits to u limits. When x is -1, u becomes 1. When x is 2, u becomes 10. This is the crucial step for your final answer. Finally, substitute everything into the integral. We get 1/3 times the integral of f of u, which evaluates to 1/3 times f of 10 minus f of 1. Boom!
Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Don't skip the constant or ignore limits. Always use U-Sub and update your bounds correctly.